Alright guys, we're back. Here to do another video. I'm at my local Volkswagen dealer. The dealership that we bought our Atlas from. We're gonna do a quick walk around review of the MK8 GTI that they just got in stock. It's in the showroom. Unfortunately, I cannot drive it, so we're gonna go take a look at it. I figured I'd make a video real quick, throw it up, because I swear the video for the GLI with all the integrated engineering upgrades is coming. It's been a heck of a couple weeks, with Christmas time coming and Thanksgiving. It's just been, my wife and I both work full-time jobs, so trying to edit a video and get it out immediately is extremely difficult when we're both working two full-time jobs. And then trying to edit and everything as well. So I'm trying it. My wife and I both got new phones. We're running the Google Pixel 6 Pluses right now. So we're gonna do the reviews with the phones to see how it comes out. You guys have to let us know if you like the way the video comes out or not, with the quality wise. Hopefully you guys can hear me. There's a little bit of traffic outside over here now. So let's go inside and see if we can't do a little bit of filming. So we've decorated, or my little one decorated the GLI, and then we're here at Sunrise Volkswagen. This is where we bought our Atlas. So we're gonna go in and take a look at the new GTI that they have in stock. All right. Well, so we have to. They're doing business. It's a little bit busier than it normally is at the dealership on Monday morning. So I'm sitting inside the new GTI, and it's a little bit of a different feel from my GLI, and even going from the Mark 7 GTI. This is the Autobahn edition that I'm sitting in, so this is the top of the line, the most expensive one. There's a lot of people have been complaining about the price, saying that Volkswagen is charging too much for the new GTI. If you go back, my niece and nephew just bought a used 2009 GTI, and it had the original window sticker, and it's not even a fully loaded one. It had the original window sticker in the glove box, and that car went for $30,000 in 2009. So for it to go from $30,000 to this car being at $42,000 for the Autobahn with all the new technology that's in cars, I really can't complain. And people shouldn't really be complaining. You can get a lesser trim for a cheaper amount of money, or you can go with a new GLI. The new GLI, I think, was supposed to be between $30,000 and $32,000 as well. So you're at ballpark, even any performance Volkswagen that you buy is going to be a significant amount of money. So let's flip around. We'll do an interior look first, and then I'll go to the outside. I want to kind of hold on a minute because they're conducting business, so I don't want anybody's personal information or anything out on video. Alright, so we're inside. Obviously the touch panels that everybody was complaining about. I don't know how I feel about this. It is a light, or a shiny piano black, so I would assume that it's going to be a fingerprint magnet at some point. Let me see if I can push the start button without everything turning on here. So it does have the digital dash, which I'm a huge fan of. I like the digital dash. Neither one of our cars have a digital dash. My GLI, because I got the 35th anniversary edition, doesn't have a digital dash. And my wife did not want the digital dash in our Atlas. Oh, I guess we can't just turn it on. Alright, well, we're inside the dealership. I do not want to start the car, but here's the new layout of the dashboard. Everything's touch panel. All your climate controls are all on the screen. The new steering wheel almost looks like the one that's in the Atlas, only it says GTI down at the bottom. You get the pedals. The seats, I don't know how I feel about the seats. The seats in the Autobahn obviously are leather. You don't get the plaid inlays anymore like you used to back in the day.
Look at that car, okay? Mike's gonna look at your car.
So you still got the felt in the door panels. Give it kind of a premium feel. It is still very Volkswagen inside. If we go to the back seat is much of the same. You don't get the perforated seats in the back. Now I'm 6'1", and my knees are in the seat. I didn't adjust it for how I sit. The controls in the back. These are touch also, and down below. It's kind of hard for you guys to. There you go. There we go. I got it. It's a little bad angle, but you get 2 USB-Cs in the back. You also get 2 USB-Cs in the front. It's actually a little bit of a better angle to see the dashboard. So, and then you get the automatic chicken nugget shift knob, as the humble mechanic likes to call it. I don't know how I feel about that. Electronic parking brake, cup holders, the rear climate vents, and again in the back you get the felt. So it is still recognizably Volkswagen back here. Now going to the center console. They didn't take this away. This has been a staple of the GTI since I can remember, with the sliding center console, which I happen to like. Oh, there it goes. Now it's on. Well, I guess not. Everything kind of lights up. It's got a heated steering wheel. So I mean, it's a nice car. I definitely like it. The one thing I don't know how to do is pop the trunk or pop the hatch. I'll get you guys back there and take a look in the hatch. The switch used to be here, and it's gone now. The hatch is still the same as every GTI. It is not an automatic liftgate, but you still get plenty of room back here. Much of nothing has changed from the old generation. I would assume this, I don't know what this is. I think this is for emergency triangle for the European models. And then of course the part that everybody wants to see is under the hood, and I don't know if I can lift the hood. I think the hood is off limits at this point because they have a bow on it for Christmas. So I'll just run you around real quick, and then you get these are 19-inch wheels, I believe. Bridgestone Potenza. So run you around real quick, and I believe this one is still available. This is the window sticker. Again, this is a Sunrise Volkswagen. This one comes in at $40,039. I'm not sure if they can sell this one yet, or if it's so. But yeah, it's a decent car. Let me see if I can pop the hood real quick without that bow falling off. How you doing? Hey, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Alright, so this is what we got under the hood. It is pretty much the same as last year's model, only this has the bigger turbo. And I don't know if you guys can see that down there, but that turbo says Garrett on it. So the turbo has definitely been upgraded since last year's model, but everything else is still very familiar to the Mark 7. This engine cover, ugly engine cover, I don't like that. But it's pretty much unchanged except for that bigger Garrett turbo. which I'm wondering if we can retrofit into our older generations. You do have the LED front light that runs across the entire grille. Again, this is the Autobahn, so this is fully loaded. So you have your heads-up display here. And that's pretty much it. So again, just a quick video, just to get the feel for the car. I mean, I like it, but I like my GLI a little bit better. So I think we're going to stick with the GLI for right now. Hopefully when the 2022 GLIs come out, I can sneak in here and grab a video of those too. If it ever comes down where I'm able to buy or to drive the GTI, I'll definitely stop in and do a review real quick of driving it. But for now, hopefully you guys liked it. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. Thank you.
We hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.